Welcome to another Love RV 24 Alaska Tour number 24. We're leaving the Kenai, Alaska Diamond M Ranch Resort, heading to Seward today. The Diamond M Ranch Resort RV Park, rated about a 9 in my little book. Great grounds, great people, great hospitality, full hookup, 30 and 50 amp, water and sewer. Our Starlink worked very well there. The bathrooms in the last video, if you saw it, they're about 9-10. That's 6 in this area, 4 nice bathrooms up the road a bit, and 4 in the other ones. It's a great place. Definitely highly recommend. If you're ever in Kenai, Alaska, check them out. Across the street happens to be a little fueling station. So most of us took advantage of it. As you see the sign, go up here closely, it says $3.59, but up being $3.60 per gallon. We traveled 180 miles, $61.94, 17.8 gallons, almost 10 miles to the gallon, and that was on July 3rd of 24. And also there's DEF right there on the right hand side. That was perfect for us. My DEF tank's on the right rear, and most DEF nozzles are on the left. So we filled up 15 gallons, $2 a gallon. Awesome at the pump. The road to Seward was only about a 90-mile drive today. Well, it's very great road. And this guy makes a turn on the red light, hit the air horn. Car beside me hit the horn. The person, what you couldn't tell, was on the phone, and she dropped the phone, and then I hit the air horn. So pay attention, people. But anyway, cruise to this little town. We're heading to Seward. Beautiful area. The roads again are fantastic through this section. We had some good views, got good turnouts. There's a lake to the right here, Trenton Lake. You could actually boondock along the side of the road here up to 7 days. You have no hookups, but you got great views, and people do it, as you see right there. And they unhook and they go to do tours and other things. And most people there are fishing. And you got these little waterfalls along the side of the road that come up once in a while. We're slowing down. Anyway, nice waterfall there to the left. And again, the road's pretty good. Turn into this next RV park in Seward, the Stoney Creek RV Park. It's kind of weird. You got to go across these tracks. Kind of a little hump. So if you got a certain vehicle, you might be careful. But they said it's all great. And it's going through like a little residential area to get to this RV park. So it's slow going. And it's about 2 miles in. And nice area. Looks like most of these houses were summer houses around here. This house here was a little strange, but once you got into the place, it wasn't bad. Stoney Creek RV Park, Seward, Alaska. Again, all dirt, gravel land. It had 30 and 50 amp service. Here we only had 30 amp for us. We let the bigger rigs have the 50. And lots of people in here. Seward has a run that goes up a hill on July 4th. Of course, they have the 4th of July ceremonies, fireworks, and we're parked next to our friends of the fifth wheel. And again, this place is very nice. It was July 3rd of 2024. Hey, look, Mickey's joining the festivities. Look, it's 23:17, 11:17 p.m. We're going to head out to the town of Seward. This bright early morning, you could tell from the clock down below, it's 23:31 p.m. or 20:31, so 11:31 p.m. We're going to do something not a lot of people get the opportunity to do. Check out the 4th of July at 0001 hours on the 4th to check out fireworks. Yes, check out fireworks. So we and a bunch of other people are up early, or maybe staying up for the night, to watch the fireworks in Seward. You could say we're the first to watch fireworks in the USA, 0001 in the morning, they do have fireworks. That hardware store to the right, the True Value, is an awesome store. I mean, inside you could spend all day there. And the harbor's to the left. So we're heading to find a parking spot. And the mountain to the right is a mountain people run up in the morning hours for some competition. They run up and they run down. And it's the whole history of Seward. So you can look it up, Seward's Mammoth Mountain Climb. There's happened to be a cruise ship over there. They have a great view. And look, there's people out here. It is midnight. Seward Fire Department's on scene with other local volunteer groups. And the scenery was beautiful at this time of the morning. And we're getting ready to check out the fireworks. And this whole line of people around here in RVs along the shoreline. And look, fireworks. Sit back and enjoy a little bit of fireworks on July 4th of 001 from Seward, Alaska. Probably enough of the fireworks. Later that day, believe it or not, July 4th, at 10 o'clock, we had a 5-hour boat tour on Resurrection Bay. Should be able to see a natural area full of wildlife, waterfalls, lots of trees, lots of forest. We were on the Nantucket ship boat.
Earthquake ever recorded. Talking about earthquake on the Richter scale, shook the ground here for almost 5 minutes.
Beautiful scenery. That's the harbor we just left. Glaciers on top of the hill. You can look closely, there's a white dot over there. That is a bald eagle. A little closer view. There's actually multiple houses out here on the rocky ledges. Some you can drive to or snowmobile to the backside, but most of them are by water. This was our boat, or our vessel. There's the bay we're heading to, a couple of our group. Just enjoying cruise. It was a little brisk outside. It's got beautiful views. Got to see puffinfish, sea lions. There's a whale out there somewhere. I didn't get any good pictures of her. Thank you, Karen, for some of these pictures. There's a whale you can see flipping his tail. Of course, there are lots of sea lions, puffin, birds. There's our ship on top. This is Resurrections Bay Glacier. Hey, look, a picture of me for a change. The ladies behind us are in Walnut Creek, California. And a last opportunity to check out the last of the fireworks. Hope you enjoy these videos. More videos coming in the future. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment to not miss any of them. Love and hug somebody. Thank you again.